When Python encounters a variable name in your code, Python follows a specific search order called the LEGB rule. LEGB stands for local, enclosing, global, and built-in. And that's exactly the order Python searches. First, local. Python looks for the variable in the current function where you're using it. If you're inside a function and reference a variable name, Python checks if that variable was created within that same function. Second, enclosing. This applies to nested functions. If Python doesn't find the variable locally, it looks in any enclosing function scopes. This is for when you have functions defined inside of other functions. Third, global. If Python still hasn't found the variable, it looks at the global scope, variables defined at the top level of your file, outside any function or class. And finally, built-in. As a last resort, Python checks if it's a built-in name that comes with Python itself, like print, len, or range. Python stops searching as soon as it finds the first match. This means a local variable will always override a global variable with the same name within that function. Understanding LEGB helps you predict exactly which variable Python will use and avoid confusing naming conflicts in your code.